Couldn't tell you. Don't know. Don't know where I've been. Girl, I don't know shit. I will take these off though. What is that? Damn, this bitch is tangled. What the fuck am I gonna do with that? What is this? I just want it. Some cute little curls. Some cute little waves. What is this? I was really sitting up here thinking, this is about to be my new hairstyle trendsetter. Honestly, this whole video is really just gonna be an update that literally nobody asked for, but I'm still gonna give it to you, so you are welcome. My last upload was literally over a year ago, so we're trying this again. I'm not even gonna hold you up. This is my second time making this video because the first time I did not realize I had a full grown ass man mustache going on, and that boy was just chilling on my face, and I did not even realize I have my laser hair removal appointment after this video. Y'all are not about to catch me slacking like that. I'm sorry, but not over here. That could have been the old me. The old me would have said, fuck it, let's post it anyways, no one will notice, and then get bullied in the comments and then cry myself to sleep when myself at night. The new me, I couldn't do it. And my eyebrows were huge too. I literally made them so thin. I was not coming here to play. If I want to get my feelings hurt, I can go somewhere else, but not here. Not here. Miss ColourPop sent me over their new collection, and this is their Feeling Bubbly collection. This one is their Feeling Bubbly palette, and it's pretty cute. I'm going in with the shade Bubble Up, and it's literally the lightest brown in the palette. I think I'm just gonna use that all over my lid. I swear this video is gonna go up and you're gonna get the notification and you're gonna be like, who the fuck? And I'm gonna be like, yeah, I have revived from the dead for like, bitch, the 5th time. However, I will say this though, if I take another break, I'm not coming back. I can't do this no more. I can't. That's gonna be it. Like, I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna be through. No more videos, no more channel. All my videos are gonna be on private. My channel is gonna be deactivated and then deleted, and then I'm blocking everyone who had ever been subscribed. Okay, so I'm gonna do some liner. I feel like I switched up my liner a lot since the last time I was doing liner, which literally a year ago we talked about this. My favorite liner is this one from NYX. This is the matte liner. It was my favorite liner until they switched up the formula. Now it is fucking ass. But my new favorite, and this was my OG favorite, this is the KVD Vegan Beauty Tattoo Liner. My real favorite is a black one, but my client stole my black one, so I have to use this brown one. And I know who you are, and I know you stole my black liner, and I hope you're at least using it if you stole it. And if you're watching this, you better give this a like, because I know that you stole it. So the least you can do, I know you're not going to give it back to me and be like, hey girl, yes, it's me, I stole your liner, here you go, here, have it back, after I probably already used it. So at least give this a like. Outer part of my eye just kind of goes down. What I try to do with a liner is kind of like balance it out, and instead of following my natural shape of like just curving it, I try to go outwards, and then that's my guide as to how I do the liner, if that makes sense. Since I do want it to be more brown, I'm going back into the palette with the darkest brown, and it's called Get a Grape. Miss Girl, grapes are green and purple, not brown. But okay girl, okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the liner with a little bit of foundation that broke on my floor. I feel like I don't give a fuck how crispy my liner is. I'm always going to clean it up with foundation. I'm getting tired, sleepy, lazy. And then I just do the inner corner like that. Love it. This bitch is dirty, so now I have to go clean it. I need more chopstick. I honestly never realized how fucking chapped my lips are on a regular until I started filming, and as I'm editing, all I see are my chapped ass lips. Okay, so let's really do some updating on this video that's called Update, so I can update you guys about everything that's been updating in my life, updated as of now. Do you ever see something and you're just like, they think they're so funny? Because that's me when I'm editing. I'm like, bitch, you think you're so funny. Thank you. I am. I think from the last time I saw you guys, I accumulated a total of 3 new, well, is it considered new? Like 3 more tattoos added onto my skin. Okay, so the first one is easy because it's literally right here. It's just my angel numbers, so 333. I got one behind my elbow. I don't know if I showed you guys that one already though, because I feel like that one's more like one of the older ones that I have. There it is. I'm covering my elbow because my elbows are ashy, but it's literally just a butterfly, and it says she taught me to fly. That one's actually a matching tattoo with my mom, and she has the other piece, which is like somewhere on her back, and hers says I gave her wings, and then my part says she taught me to fly. So it's like a mother-daughter like cute little tattoo. I'm about to show you my leg bone, but I don't even know if I shaved. I did not shave, and my knee is ashy too. So there we go. It says not yours. I feel like it holds a lot of meaning for me, but it could mean absolutely nothing to you. I would watch hella videos of like people who were like all tatted up, and they would make videos of like explaining their tattoos. So I'm just gonna have to bring it back when I have enough tattoos to show. But as of right now, I'm still a member at Weenie Hut Jr., so I can't do that because I only have like 6 or 7 tattoos. And then around April, which my birthday, hello, I finally did it. I finally I went to LA, and girl, I honestly really liked it. Hollywood was very much ghetto. There was a lot of homeless. I kind of had heard about that, so I knew there was gonna be that. But girl, there was people on the street scamming. I am vaccinated if anyone cared, and I'm actually due for my booster, so I need to go schedule that and get that shit out of the way. I try not to judge people who don't have the vaccine or don't want to get it, but at the same time it's like, bitch. And thankfully I haven't got COVID, and I would like for it to stay that way. And then the last time I was here, I think I had my blue hair already, like the blue little stripes, but I ended up dyeing it like 7 more times after that. I was just doing it all, doing my thing. Actually no, I dyed the strips back to black, and then I had pieces on the side that I was continuously dyeing different colors. I did blonde, I did gray, red, pink, orange, blue, purple. Like I think the only color I did not do was green. And I was kind of sad about that because I feel like my last color was, I believe, orange or like a pastel pink, and yeah, the only color that I had to do left was green, and now I'm sad I never did green. What if I dye it all over again just to do green? I feel like green would have definitely been my color. I just find it so hard to believe that a year later I still ain't got no lips, still ain't got no ass. Like, so have I really been gone for a year if I look exactly the same? That's up for debate. Still ain't got no titties. Girl. Like, Miss Bitch, you had a whole fucking year. What did you do? I did get a new camera though. I hope you guys can tell. I was just sitting here thinking, because I just got a notification of this girl I watch on YouTube. She just posted her Vlogmas day 8. And I'm just like, how do y'all do that? Like, I struggle to post 1 video a week. Girl, I struggle to post 1 video a year. How the fuck are you posting a video every single day for 31 days? That's my question. That's witchcraft, because girl, that's a lot of videos. I mean, like, props to everyone that's doing Vlogmas, but I'm just like, where are the ideas coming from? Like, how are you doing something every single day? Girl, how do you edit every single day? Bless you and your soul. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Because I wanted to switch up my content, but I didn't know how. Like, I genuinely, even now, I'm still not sure if I mean, I know I want to keep doing makeup for sure, because I feel like it really is in my blood. It's in my blood. So it's like, that's what started all of this. So I want to keep doing makeup, but I don't know how. Like, I feel like normal tutorials are kind of like outdated. I'm like, I'm sorry girl, but like, they're a little boring. They're very, if you don't like the person you're watching, like on a personal level, it's gonna be boring. So if you guys don't fuck with me like that, you're gonna be watching this video like, exit out and click on somebody's vlog or someone, or go to TikTok. Like, that's genuinely how I be seeing shit, because I'm just like, girl, get to the point, get to the point, get to the makeup. Like, why is this video 30 minutes long on how to do your fucking foundation? Like, we learned this shit in like 2017. Like, I want to have like a variety of like audience. Like, I don't want just girls that like do their makeup and that's the only reason why they're watching me, to see me do my makeup. Like, I want like a niche of like everything. Girl, it's hard. It's hard out here. This fucking lipstick that I got sent from SheGlam. If you don't know what SheGlam or who SheGlam is, it's literally Shein's makeup brand. This fucking lipstick is literally the best lipstick I have ever used. I don't know if it's because of my complexion, I don't know if the formula, the color, whatever it is, I always go back to this one. I even lost it for a while. Ulta, Sephora, any place that sells makeup online, I was buying lipsticks left and right trying to find this exact shade, which I'm almost out of, and I could not find it. And then I found out an old purse under my bed and I opened it and it was in there, and girl, I was so happy. And I couldn't even look for it on Shein because I didn't know the name of it, which now that I'm looking at it, I don't even think there's a name on it. Oh no, there is. It's called Milk Tea. So fire. I follow this girl on Instagram and she's a makeup artist, and I asked her, I'm like, girl, what lashes you be using, because them lashes on this client look real good to me. And she was like, girl, Amazon. And she sent me the link, and I was like, God bless you, your soul, and your whole family and your ancestors, because these lashes are so good. Let's pray I don't get pink eye, because the last time I used this I had pink eye. So, but I can't find my black one, so we're just gonna have to take the risk. Girl, and I'm freezing up in here. I feel like I covered a lot of things in this video, and I also said a whole bunch of nothing, but this is the hair after I put fucking water and brushed it the fuck out. When I go out, I literally do like the fucking bare minimum, but when I need to look presentable and nice and do my makeup, this is literally what I do on like a day-to-day basis. So yeah, my camera's about to die, so we need to cut this shit off. I honestly hope you guys look forward to seeing me again soon. I pretended like I didn't listen back then when you guys told me you guys wanted vlogs, but I was definitely listening because I heard you. We're doing vlogs now. Don't know when that's gonna start happening, but I am gonna try to do vlogs. If anyone has any ideas, go ahead and let me know. This mustache, this beard, it's gotta go. I'm gonna go get my laser hair removal. If you stayed all the way through the end, I appreciate it, because I know it's been a year. My views are gonna be on 3, but I mean, I did it to myself, so like, really, who can I blame? So make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe, all that shit. Follow my social medias. Girl, my Instagram, that boy is dead. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.